inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. The advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device for West-West F48 and West XM82. Activate this alarm for the following counties: Berkshire, Franklin, Kent, and Hampshire counties in Massachusetts, Bennington, Vermont, and Columbia and Rensselaer counties in New York. This has been an alarm test.
The first RWT on WWF48. Wow. Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 547, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Connecticut, Fairfield, Hartford, Litchfield,
Middlesex, New Haven, New London, Todd, and Wyndham.
and the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the out of the in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is a special weather statement.
Okay then, so thunderstorm watch number 547 just gets issued. And there was already storms moving on in, so I'm not that surprised, so yeah.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Westfield, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, West Springfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, Wilbraham, Granby, and Southampton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampton, and Hampshire. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Belchertown, or 7 miles southeast of Amherst, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Amherst, Belchertown, Ware, Granby, Barry, North Brookfield, West Brookfield, Hardwick, Pelham, Patersham, New Braintree, and New Salem. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, Hampshire, and Worcester. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Everyone gets issued. Let's see who it's for.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampden County in western Massachusetts, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampden, or 7 miles southeast of Springfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Southbridge, East Longmeadow, Wilbraham, Palmer, Stafford, Somers, Sturbridge, Monson, Woodstock, Hampton, Warren, West Brookfield, Brimfield, Brookfield, Holland, Wales, and Union. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut, Holland and Wyndham, and the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampton and Worcester.
So there you have it.
Oh yeah, that's it.
So anyways, this is another cut right now. Anyways, how much do you want to bet that there's going to be an SVR for Central Windham County, which is where I reside in?
Out of 10, I would say probably a 7
Yeah.
out of 10 chance.
Most certainly.
7 to 8.
Almost freaking definitely it would happen.
Oh yeah.
So, I'll put I'm gonna put at 9 actually, to make this loud.
Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunders.
I don't know. Might do that. So yeah. Not be surprised. Hopefully we don't get a TOR and have to go on 96.5 to get it.
96.5 TIC.
Yeah, 96.5 TIC. Yeah, that's their branding actually.
Oh yeah, I just got a thunder.
Oh, you
Got a
just
bit of
did.
thunder.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, who knows what'll happen later. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe
Did try
thunderstorm
activating?
warning for northeastern Collin County in northern Connecticut, south central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, eastern Hampden County in western Massachusetts, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh my gosh.
2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
It glitched
located over
out.
Holland, or 20 miles east of Springfield.
I think this one
moving
glitched
east at
out.
20 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh my gosh.
Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Webster, Southbridge, Oxford, Charlton, Dudley, Sturbridge, Brimfield, Holland, and Union. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Tallinn, Connecticut, and the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampton and Worcester. This is NOAA Weather Radio. The voice of the national...
Oh my gosh, Anthony, did you hear it?
Yeah, Tallinn County.
70-mile-an-hour wind gusts.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central
Channel 7.
Massachusetts until 3:45
Finally work properly.
At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oxford, or 11 miles south of Worcester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines and possibly some hail damage to vehicles. Locations impacted include Westboro, Grafton, Webster, Auburn, Northbridge, Oxford, Osbridge, Millbury, Charlton, Millville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Worcester, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, central Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boston, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines and possible damage from hail. Locations impacted include Boston, Quincy, and Winthrop. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Norfolk, Massachusetts,